Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change SIM card name on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. In settings, go to network connections. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in network and connections, okay, you'll have to do is tap the SIM card and mobile network. And okay guys, here in SIM card and mobile network, okay, for my example, I select the SIM 1. And okay guys, to change the SIM 1 name or SIM card name, okay, you'll have to do is tap the SIM slot 1. And now you can see the SIM name. To change this, you'll have to do is tap the SIM name. And the pop-up are show, and now you can see the tint. Okay, tap this to change the name. After you change the name of the SIM card, okay, you'll have to do is tap the OK button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed SIM card name on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.